Hey everybody, I'm back. This is Giro Shen coming back once again with another episode of Nightingale. This was going to be the new Let's Play. New Let's Play Nightingale, I think, or New Nightingale, I think is just what we're going to call it. And we'll number it so that everybody can see it. But I have completed a rough shelter. It's still missing some pieces. That's okay. I need to get a tanning down. I need to get some stuff down, but I need to gather some resources. So first thing I'm going to do is empty out my backpack. So this is with stuff that I don't need to have on me. These are my food. I'm going to keep those on me. I'm going to put that in. I'm going to put that in. I'm going to put that in. So this is my clothing, which I don't really care for the idea that it's in my backpack now. I don't think it was before. But that could have been just a mod that I was using. I kind of doubt it, though. But we're going to go ahead and eat something. Q. And we're going to eat this jerky. And then I'm going to eat this food, and I'm actually going to take this off. I'm going to put this in here as my heel, because that's what it is. It's a heel. Hello, you. Oh, that was wild. Alright, now I'm supposed to be able to pick up or find a ranged weapon. I don't know how that's going to work, but I want to see on progression, tools, how much does this cost? Learn for 25. Wow, these are expensive. So I need to learn this one though, because it doubles as a ranged weapon. This might be better. It's 25 also. Let's throw this one down. What's it used to make it? Stone block, wood bundle, and straps, which I can make from that thing. Okay, we'll do that. I need to get a deer though. Or a wolf or a pig. Oh. I'll get some more of this stuff. I must have found, look at the fish jumping there. Alright, well that was helpful. Did I get that ball that dropped? I think I did. Oh, I got him. That was lucky. Nice. 2 of them. That's meat and leather. Anyway, welcome back. Here we are. I don't know if I did the whole welcome back spiel, but we're gathering now. We're gathering good. So let's see. I need more food. I want to put, let's do some roasted meat. And we're going to F. And we're going to do all we can. Let's see. We'll do 4. Roast berries. Looks like I can get 2 more. 1 more. We get those going as well. We'll have as much food as we can possibly get for now. And let's see. That's on the wheel, right? That's on the wheel. It doesn't tell me the difference between them, but that's okay. Let's see if I can, I need to get a tanning station. Tanning right there, place. I'll stick it right there. I need some plant fiber. We can go out into the water and get a bunch. But of course I get wet as I get in the water, because you know, the water's wet. Amazingly enough, water is wet. Wet is unliked. Get some more goop from these fellows. I get some more. It's not a lot, but you know, we get a little bit at a time. That'll work. I don't want to kill them. I just want to take them. Maybe it's killing them. I don't know. All I know is I need it. So there we go. So let's chop down a tree. And I'll let her start picking stuff up. Item is breaking. Let's see. Can I repair the way I used to repair? Yes. You're taking too long. Let's make a stairway. Close off the walls. There, and then I'm going to put 2 windowed walls. And a regular wall. I'll put another windowed wall, what the hell. And we need some sticks. We're going to get some more sticks. There's some. There's some. I'll pick those up because we're going to need them at some point. Sticks seem to be a bit sparser than they used to. Perhaps. I don't know. All I know is it's a little different. Feels a little different. Might not be. Feels a little different. Been a while. Hey, everything's built there. So now we got our one door in. Let's build a doorway. Oh wait, I need those. Now we'll build a doorway. I built the door. There we go. And open. Let's open from the outside. We can put a chest back there if we want to, but we'll worry about that later. Let's put one down in front here. B. And we'll make a storage, and we'll place the storage, and voila. And this will be where all of our stuff goes for that. Now we're going to craft some straps and an autofill and craft that bad boy. Then we're going to make a sickle. Oh, and throwing knives. Now I got a throwing knives, which is in my 8, which is right where I want it. Okay. I don't have, I got the 6, that's a one-handed weapon. Until I get my sickle. More points, dude. I know, you just want to live. Maybe attacking that doesn't work. That appears to be a wolf. Okay, 6. And some predator meat and some predator stuff. Whoop, there's a third one. I haven't really killed much with the knife before. And my sickle so I can get the extra bonus when I do those. Where the heck's my house? There's the water. I had to cut down some of these trees so I can see. Let's see if I can make a sickle yet. Progression, sickle, yes, I can, I'm going to. And then I need to make it. And there she blows. And I want it in position 3. There it is, yeah. Actually, I think I'm going to put this into 9. And then when I get an umbrella, I'll put it in 8. Turn it off. Okay. Eat roasted berries. Oh, that's easy. I got to be able to make mixed plants. Is that a progression thing? Let's see. Consumables. Mixed plants. That's free. That's 5. That's 5. That's 5. I learned a freebie. Attack free. No, that's 5. Okay. As I recall, that's my dodge forward button. That's not the one I want. What I want is alternate fire. There it is. Well, wolves are good. But let's see if we can get some big chunks of stuff here. There's my house is there, yeah? Let's see. We're going to put a campfire there because for some reason it's not showing up. House, that's what we use. And we're going to go here. It's about right there. There's a third one. Yep, there it is. There's always a third one. Alright, let's see. For you, I want you, manage equipment and inventory. I want you to give those to me, for sure. And that to me, and that to me, and that to me, and I'm going to give you this, and this, and this, and this. For now we're going to fly that way. Alright, 3. So, just about straight north. Just a little bit off of straight north. Uh-oh. Another place over here. Lots of rocks. That's good. I'm going to need those later, I think. I did before. I don't imagine that changed it that much. Oh, look at here. There you go. Pick all that up. Good girl. Pick that up. And this. And let us get to the essence of the matter. We're going get up here. I'll get you to get some more stuff that we're going to need later. For right now, pick that up and let's go. Where are you at? Oh, Gene. We got to... Oh, look at that. I didn't see that before. We got to help you out here somehow. Okay, we're going directly north just about. Oh, we got more doggos. All right. A little bit too much damage there, boys. I never really did like the pickaxe as a weapon anyway, so yeah, it doesn't surprise me that I'm not that good at it. Oh, look at all this stuff. 3. You can pick mushrooms with it. Let's see, I get 3 mushrooms that way. I get 2 mushrooms that way. That's new. You couldn't do that before. Okay, well, we were kind of up from where we were. And there's a treasure out here according to this. 9. Where you running, dude? Just a little pinprick. There'll be no more. Ah! You may feel a little sick. Can you still stand up? That's all right. I'm good for now. Is this the one I did? This is the one I did. Okay, and this is a place that was nearby that I don't know what it is. Is it inhabited? I need to get you something good here. What do we have over here? Arrows, a bow, and a throwing knife. Look at that. I didn't have to make it. Oh my gosh. And I was right here too. Simple short bow for free. Okay, the short bow goes in 1. I think that is normally in 5. I just put it in the wrong place. Stick that there. How many arrows do I got? I got 20 arrows, which is probably not enough, but it'll do for now. I've got to learn it in order to replenish my arrows, though. So let's Go to progression, go to short bow, learn for free. Yes, what else we got here? Anything worthwhile? This is new, it's different, I like it. It's cool. It's cool. Totally cool. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. What is this? That's a shooting area where you can practice your shooting. Huh. Destroy it and it's destroyed. Anything up here? Go take a look. I know I run everywhere like a damn fool. What if there's something there to kill me? Well, then I'll be dead. That's just the way it is. Oh, look what's over here. Rock and stone. I don't see a... It looks like probably wooden stones or wooden pebbles is what you need. A little bit more than the old slingshot deal. Where am I now? Let's see. Oh, that's where I'm at. And there's an infestation. An infestation requires an axe. It's north. Oh, look at that. Where is the infestation? I don't see any critters. Well, I could be lagging a little bit. I think I was lagging a little bit. This, I think, is the place of the infestation. Well, that's a dead wolf. That's a dead wolf. He still bit me a couple times. It's raining. I don't have an umbrella yet. There's still one. There's no, maybe it's here. It is here. Okay, that's different. I'll hit this thing a couple of times while she's killing that. I'm out of frickin' stamina already. Okay. We've got a treasure somewhere. Maybe a whole bunch of essence. There it is. And I got 25 essence. That was premium. What's up there? I can't get up there from the inside. Can I get up there from the outside? Yeah, I was up there before. Here, pick this up. Jane, pick this up. Alrighty. Let's see what we can do about, let's go undercover. There we go. Now we're out of the rain. See what we can do about learning umbrella. There's umbrella. Learn for 25. I'm learning that thing. I need to go back to the house. So I'm going to teleport to my respite. Travel to respite. There I am. Why is it here? This is not my respite. I did not make the other one my respite. Is that the story? Okay, where is it? It is south. Oh, now that is so nice. Oh man, he fell in the water. Hopefully that doesn't mean his carcass is gone forever. It's not. Okay, south. Over here. Up this hill. Over hill, over dale. As we hit the dusty trail. Hopefully she picked the extras up. Alright, back to the house. I have no idea what time of day it is. Always my biggest complaint about survival games, not being able to tell what time of day it is, because it's not really that clear. Alright, let's, I can only make straps. Let's actually, before we do any of that, first let's get rid of that. We're going to eat. Eat one of those. We're going to eat one of those. And I'm going to eat one of those. Equip any simple clothing, so I need to build a tailor station. So I did build it, so let's, I did research it, so let's build it. There we go. And we need wood bundle. I know she has one. Come on, right here. Look, right here. Right here. Thank you. Do it. God dang it. Oh, that's the wrong direction. Okay, let's make you a better weapon right after we do that. Let's get you a... I needed my umbrella first. Sorry. Back, I need a wood axe. And then where'd you go? I should have closed the front door. There. Manage equipment and inventory. I want you to take... Well, how come she doesn't have one? How come I can't friggin' put it over there? Oh, here. We'll put it from there. And then let's equip that. Yeah, now you be wicked. And then, I left this burning all day. Oh, that fuel's gonna last a while though. Mixed plants, I have to eat one of those. Autofill, craft. That's 17 portobellos and 17 regular. I got more than 17 regular. And we're gonna make the whole 9 yards. We're gonna autofill that and craft it all. Simple clothing, simple gloves, straps and plant fiber, and a head wrap. I don't want the head wrap. I want the... Oh, they don't have one. Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna build another one of these. Right there. Now we are gonna put the old stuff in that we're not wearing anymore. So I got my 3 pieces. I did get my 3 pieces. And Puck should be outside. Return to Fuck. Where is he?
Your tenacity overrules the gusts of fate. With shelter overhead and tool in hand, you've proven yourself. Built over the heart of this realm lies a site of power. Long ago, it was named, and what awaits is no simple task. A monument of such magic attracts the weak like flies to sweetest honey. And the realm's heart has ways of making lambs into. Take these elixirs, seek the site of power, and overcome whatever guardians await within.
Alright, let's go into here, and I did that already, okay, which is simple saddle rack. Let's see what I have to do to make arrows. Arrows. I need stone block and wood bundle. Each one is 20. Wow. I wonder how much they weigh. Alright, let's see. I got plenty of food. What's this? Oh, heals. Oh, I didn't need that. Shit. I didn't mean to do that. Alright. Okay. Let's put stuff away. This goes over here. Wood can go here. Bone can go somewhere else. Wait. There we go. Alrighty. Let's put some bones in. A skull bone. Let's put some potions in. Potion. Why do I have two different kinds? Oh, because one I made with mushroom, one I made portobello. Let's put some, look at that, and 4 different kinds of meat. More than I need clogging up my thing. Potions. Add some more potions? No. Alright, let's see. Blood ichor, gunpowder, those are unusual things we don't really need. I want to put that on my toolbar. Let's see. Wood. Let me put that and that. And that. And that. And that. And that. And oh my god, I got a lot of stuff. Already. Already. You had another potion. Alright, X out of that. Alright. Didn't even tell me the name. There we go, and we'll take a short rest. I guess we'll take a long rest. Alright. So the first one I did was a little long. This one is a little shorter. I am going to call it here. Should be about 2 hours combined. And then we'll come back. I'll figure out what else we want to do. I got another ruin I need to go do. And then I need to work on upping my my gear score. So if I look, my current gear score is not shown. Where would it be shown? There it is, 19. So I probably need to get higher. I do like the way that shirt looks is better than it looked before. It's not showing my shorts, but you know, that's okay. I got this in here. Why is it in here instead of in here? Let's see, we'll put that here. That's why. Because it was not on the quick bar. I don't want that on my quick bar. It appears that this is the slot for Q. Whatever that first slot is your Q. So that's going to be it for today. I want to thank everyone for showing up, and we'll continue to do this. So far the changes are pretty interesting. The progression is kind of different, and I like it. It was something we asked for, and I do like the fact that we're getting it. Extra toolbar slots, those are nice, and the Q for a quick radio menu, that's something we didn't have either. So all of those things together are kind of helping me really enjoy myself. How am I doing on Essence? Let's see. Look at my Essence, I got 69, that's a pretty good number. So I can repair all, and now all my stuff is repaired, which is also good. And what is that? That's my food. So let's we'll eat when we come back. So thanks everybody for showing up for today. Appreciate it, and we will talk to you next time. In the meantime, be excellent to one another, and peace out.